Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft. Now you know we specialize in only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Today I've got a 2007 G58 to tell you about. She's low time, yes, low time, factory air conditioning and a known icing package. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at your engines. These are Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engines, only 1,190 hours on the engine's hot prop and airframe since new, and these are special edition engines. So you know this airplane is a workhorse. Whether for pleasure or business, plenty of room up here to carry your things with you, up to 300 pounds, and you can even take your golf clubs. You have to take the woods off, but they'll fit just fine. So as I mentioned before, this airplane is good for hot or cold. We do have the known icing package and factory air conditioning. So you can see we have the boots, we have got the heated windshield, and we've got the hot prop. Now when it comes to going to your business or dream destination, plenty of fuel, long range fuel. That means 194 gallons of usable fuel. The exterior of this Baron, great condition, Matterhorn white overall with black and tan stripes. Only 1190 total time on the airframe since new. Nice interior with this aircraft. We'll take a closer look in a minute, but right now, love the big double cargo doors. It's so easy to load our passengers and our things in the back. Now, as you can see, the seating, well, it's versatile, you know that. Everyone is in the club seating configuration right now, but that can change. We can move the seats around so everybody faces forward. And by the way, the useful load for the aircraft, 1,500 pounds. Now, if I want to remove or stow a seat, don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're in business. So come on inside, let's take a closer look. I think your passengers are going to love this. So check out the seats, Coldstream leather seats, beautiful carpet in great condition. Love the executive riding desk. We do have a 6-place intercom system wired for Bose, and we have shoulder harnesses for all the occupants. So let's check out your beautiful flight deck. Garmin G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck with 2 Garmin Navcom GPSs with WAAS. Now you've got a PDF moving map, Garmin 10.4 high-resolution primary flight display and multifunction flight display, altitude heading and reference system. The transponder is a Garmin GTX 345R with ADS-B in and out. We do have XM weather. Now that data link is displayed on the MFD, the HSI displayed on the Garmin 1000. We do have a Stormscope on board as well as color radar. Your autopilot is a Garmin GFC 700 flight control system with flight director and HSI, and altitude pre-select, and so much more. Features you will appreciate. Now remember, the aircraft is upgraded to WAAS. You'll enjoy the known icing package as well as factory air conditioning, XM weather and music, Stormscope and radar, the 6-place intercom system wired for Bose headsets, long-range fuel, dual flight controls, co-pilot brakes, super soundproofing, Skywatch active traffic, and more. So this 2007 G58 is looking for a new home. Lots to love here. You gotta love that G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck. Low time on the engines and airframe since new. Now she is upgraded with WAAS. Again, I have to say we have factory air conditioning, the known icing package. We do invite you to come out to Piedmont Triad International Airport, take her for a test flight, see what you think. And you know what, Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Baron. We look forward to meeting you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler.